Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you have not already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. The materials you will need is a pencil with an eraser, or a separate eraser, something circular, a brush, and 4 colored pencils. I am using Prismacolor White, Black, non-photo blue, and indigo blue. If you don't have the shades of blue I am using, you can also just use light blue and dark blue. A sharpener is not required but highly recommended, as you will need to resharpen your pencils to make thin strokes. The first step is to take a pencil and draw a circle using any circular object. Then draw a smaller circle right in the center of it. Now on the top part of the circle, draw some shapes for the highlights. Then erase any lines inside the highlights. Now start coloring in the pupil using black. Press firmly as we want a solid dark shade in this middle circle. Then make downward strokes from the top outer circle to the center. Also, remember to make the strokes close together to show as little white paper as possible. Now make sure that the border of the outer circle is solid black, so press firmly with the black on the outer edge. Now continue making the strokes as shown. Now once you get to the right side, make cluster of strokes, leaving small gap between them. On the left side, make close, small strokes all the way down to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, make slightly longer strokes. At this point, give a nice transition color on the outer edge using small circular motion. Then take the indigo blue or any dark blue and start coloring in the top. Remember to go around the highlights. When you color the right side, make strokes from the center outwards and from the outer edge inwards, leaving small white gaps in between. Then take the non-photo blue or any light blue to make strokes outwards from the center. Also make small marks using the blue on the top. Now continue drawing the strokes from the center outwards and from the edge inwards. Now take the indigo blue or dark blue and start drawing small lines in the shown areas. You also want to show the light blue beneath, so do not totally cover the bottom layer. Once you get to the center bottom part, draw some patches with the dark blue as shown. Then take the non-photo blue to add lighter shades in the top area. Using the same blue, lightly go over the entire bottom area. Keep in mind to use the same direction of strokes as the first layer. At this point, take the indigo blue once again to darken the borders and some more areas. Also add a line through the highlights and fix its shape. Now take the white and add some strokes on the top, and also lighten up the areas around the dark blue on the bottom. Lastly, take a brush and go over the outside edge to get rid of the sharp cut. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out my other videos for more tutorials.